Okay, this is homework page 57. Yes يا فاطمة, get ready يا فاطمة and pay attention. ريناد منتصر, sit down يا ريناد and pay attention. Pay attention يا عبد الوهاب. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna send an email. Okay, grade 4. So let's start. Open Google. Open your browser. Open Google يا grade 4. When I start with Google يا grade 4, as you can see, I got a Gmail option over here. You see this Gmail يا فاطمة? Of course we need a Gmail account. This one يا فاطمة. After you open Google, you got this option Gmail. Click on it. But we need a password and an email يا فاطمة, okay? Fatima and Abdul Wahab, sit down. Ya Maryam, be attention. Now you grade 4, we gonna click on this pen sign. Can you see this button? Compose. Compose to send a new email. Click on this compose ya Rinad Muntasir. And you can do this ya grade 4 for using your mobile. So you can do this from your mobile. Okay, I will let you talk later on ya Abdul Maryam. Just pay attention now. After this, and I will open the mic for you. To whom you are sending the email? To what? Write the email here and make sure that it's correct ya Fatima. You have my email, hiba to mu'tasim@gmail.com. This is Miss Hiba's email. As you can see, you can use it. You can use CC and BCC. Hi, grade 4. Do you remember what is the meaning of CC and BCC? Quickly open the mic. What is the meaning of CC? Hi, Razan. Carbon copy. And what is the meaning of BCC? BCC. Blind carbon copy. Thank you. I'll close my eyes. Thank you, grade 4. BCC, blind carbon copy. No one can see your email, but if I do CC, they can see each other's email. CC and BCC. Okay, Fatima, you can revise it from ICT book. You can go back here, Fatima. It's mentioned in the book on pages. Which page is here, Fatima? It's here. It's here, ya Fatima. Page 51, ya Fatima. CC for carbon copy. Okay? Blind carbon copy. Blind carbon copy. When I say blind, no one can see your email. B blind, C carbon, C copy. Okay? And CC for carbon copy. Okay? So let me go back. I want to send another copy to... I want to send another copy. Write your email, grade 4. Please write your emails in the chat quickly. I forgot the address of your emails. But you can make another copy. I want to make another copy to someone. Write for me your email. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Muhammad Abu Bakr. I want to make another copy to Muhammad. This is Muhammad Abu Bakr email. Thank you, Muhammad. I got your email. Hiya, Imad. Thank you, Imad. Another copy to Imad. Like this, grade 4, okay? Nadine, thank you for sharing. Yes, yeah, Nadine. I got like copies for you. Okay, Muhammad Amir, thank you. Thank you, grade 4. Quick respond. Okay, I want to make the subject ICT. What is the subject? The big title, yeah, grade 4. Homework. Page 57, because we are doing the homework. Page 57. Good morning, because this is morning time, grade 4. Always send a greeting. Good morning, my dear student. I'm emailing you to tell you that you are such brilliant students. Please replay this email. Use tips that I show you. Now before I send a grade 4, make sure that I check spelling and grammar mistakes. Wow, can you see this grade 4? I got many blue underlines. Why, Miss Hiba, have underlines? They are grammar mistakes. blue underlines, grade 4 grammar mistakes. What is the meaning of red underlines? If I have a red underline means what? Red underlines for spelling or grammar mistakes. يا عماد. يمنى عبد الوهاب close camera. Hi grade 4 محمد, mics are on. Spelling, but now this is the grammar. He suggests for me write to, reply to. I'm emailing you. I should write capital I am emailing you. So I fix it. I just make a right click beside it. And I fix my mistakes. I just click and then he show me how to fix it. And he suggests for me how to fix the grammar mistakes. Should I write a signing email? I can sign it with my love. I can write with love. Can I add emojis? Can I? Of course I can. I suggest always add emojis. From here or from here? Okay. I can do it from keyboard also. MashaAllah, great for. I add emojis. Can I send a file? I can send the link. Okay. Yes? Okay, bravo. I want to send you email tips photo. 1 minute. I want to upload for you grade 4 email tips photo. I already upload ones for you, but yes. Yes, email me, please email me. This is an example for an email, tips for an email. I upload a photo for you. Use it, grade 4. Now I want to format my text. I want to format it. I highlight my text. Yes, I will let you share. I will let you share. I want to change the font type. I want to change the font size. I can make it huge. Huge is too big. Yes, I can hear you. I can make it bold, italic. I can change the text direction also. Yes, I can hear you, Umar. You want to share? Just let me click send. Like this, yeah, grade 4, I can send an email. Where is she? Fatima. She was asking that question. Fatima, close your camera, sweetie Fatima. Now share a grade 4. Quickly, sharing is caring. Share the screen. Let me see your emails. Email Miss Yaba. Quickly, grade 4. I'm waiting for you, my lovely students. Abdul Manem. Basil, you email me? Thank you, Bas. One by one. Please, grade 4. Uh, yes, reply my messages. Yes, reply it, ya Muhammad Amir. Read it and reply it. Yes, you can use mobile. You can use